Dear student of class 4th, in the subject science, you have studied about the chapter plants and animal in unit 1. Okay, now in unit 2 we will study about the human machine. You are aware of the machine. What is machine? Which helps us to get the work done very easily. Is it? Lot of machines are there at your home. Washing machine, mixer, grinder, fan, iron. So different work can be done by using these machines, which helps our work to be done very easily. Similarly, our body is like a machine. Human being is a machine. Man is a machine. Okay. So God's gift that we are human being. Every organism on this earth, they are living their life, and because of their body movement, they are able to do the work. So we are like machine, and by doing the work, we are able to complete the work. So different parts of our body are there. You are aware of it. Now, what are the different smallest part? The smallest part is they are made up of cells. Cell is the smallest unit of our body, the human's body. Okay, what is cell? Cell is the smallest unit of the body. The smallest unit of any organism. Lot of living organisms are there on the earth, animals, plants. So plant cell and animal cell. So different type of the cells depending upon whether it is plant cell or animal cell. Similarly, human being, we have human cells. So after that, cells are combining to form the tissue. Bigger than the cell, they are combining to form the tissue. It is combination of cells. Combination of cells. Lot of cells combine to form what? Tissue. Correct. Similarly, lot of tissues combine to form muscles. So these muscles on our body, bones are there inside the skeletal system, over the bones these tissues are there, muscles are there. So these muscles are formed, and they are formed by combining the tissues. Similarly, lot of muscles combine, and they will form what? They will form the organs. Which organs we have in our body? Can you name? Yes, heart, lung, liver, kidney, okay, brain. So these are the organs. So they are made by combining the muscles. So muscles combine to form organs. Okay, so you can write combining of muscles or tissues, they combine to form organs. Similarly, organ will combine to form what? Organ will combine to form system. Okay, so can you name the systems? So can you name the systems? What are there in our body after combining the organs? So organ combining the organs. Lot of organs combine together to form a system like respiratory system. We are able to inhale, exhale, breathe with the help of lung and windpipe. So these parts of the respiratory system, this is one of the systems. Similarly, other system, digestive system. We are able to digest food. Whatever you eat food, it gets digested and excreted. So excretory system, digestive system. Similarly, we have nervous system. The nerves are there in our body. How the transportation of the signals are going, how the blood is transported from one part of the body to other part is done. So these are the systems. Similarly, skeletal system. Our body have bones over which the muscles are there. So that system is skeletal system. So respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, skeletal system, excretory system. So these are the systems of our body. Hope it is clear to you. Okay, good. So you make a chart of this, write in your notebook, and you can draw the structure of human body. Okay, so like rough structure. So there is skeleton, bones are there. Bones are in our body. Different joints are there in the bones. How we are able to bend the hand or leg. So some movement are there of the body. So that is the skeletal system made of the bones. How many bones are there in body? Can you find out? Find out 206 or what? Okay. Okay, so that is the skeletal system, and you are eating the food. It is going through the food pipe. You are taking the air which is going through the nostrils, through windpipe, and the systems are there. Livers are there, kidneys are there, heart is there. Okay, and and the bones are there. You can draw the diagram, and rib cage is there. Like bird is there in the cage. Birds are kept safely in the cage. We should keep the bird in cage? No, let them fly. But if any bird is there in the cage, it is well protected. Similarly, our organs in our body: heart, liver, kidney, brain. Brain is there. So all of you are using your mind, brain to do any work, to do the work through our machines. That's why human being is a machine. The name of the chapter is the human machine. So this is the control room, like CPU of the brain of computer. What we say? CPU is the brain of computer. Similarly, this is brain of our body, through which we are controlling all the movement to do any work. Okay, so different type of joints are there, which is fixed joint, movable joint, more movable joints, like head, bones in the skull, they are not moving, they are fixed joints. And bones of our backbone, the spinal cord. From here the spinal cord is there, backbone, through which our whole body structure is standing. So there are less movement of these bones, joints. Okay, small bones are there in the backbone. Similarly, the bones of our hand, hinge joints, they are able to bend very easily, like the window panes and hinge of the door, they are easily able to open and close the door and windows, isn't? Can you find out where are the hinge joints in your body? Where is ball and socket joints? Okay, the socket, the knee, and this shoulder. So here the ball is there over which the bone is revolving, rotating over it. So that is the ball and socket joints. So you will study about this type of the joint. So we must take care of our body, eat healthy food, do exercises to keep our body fit and away from any type of the diseases. Do meditation, okay, regularly. Hope you have been doing this, and no disease will come to you. So work for that and revise it. We'll discuss later on all these topics one by one at length in our next topics, next sessions. Okay, thank you very much.